Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to change the language that you use on a Capcut application. So as you can see, the language that I use now for my Capcut application is English. So if you have a trouble to understand about the language, you just need to change the language on this application by going into the settings, and right away whenever you open it, on the top rows there will be app language. So you just need to go click it and change or choose the language that you want to use. For example, now my another language is Bahasa Indonesia, so I will to click this, and after that you just need to go click done. Now the language that used by the system on the Capcut application is already changed from English into Indonesia. So if you want to change back from Bahasa Indonesia to English, you just need to choose the language that you want to use, and the system will be automatically change the language on the application. So that's the way how to change the language on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.